In this video, I want to show you how to use VideoScribe software, which was released by Sparkol. If you don't have an account, you can register to try it with trial version. This is the initial interface of VideoScribe. From Template Scribe, we can create a project from an existing template. To create a blank project, select Create a new scribe. At the top left, there is an icon to return to the Start menu. Save the project, cut, copy, and paste icons, which can be used when there are already objects in the timeline. On the top right, there are tools for inputting audio, recording sound, and for setting the background color. From this tool, we can choose the color and canvas as we want. Beside it, there is a tool to adjust the appearance of the hand. Icon preview of the project from the start, and icon preview of the selected object. To start inserting an image, click the image icon at the bottom right. Wait for some loading process. Make sure the internet connection is connected. On the left, there are several choices of images sorted by name. After the image enters the project, we can adjust the position and scale. To choose hand animation in general, just select the hand icon. And now, we can see the live preview of the animation created. To set duration of animation, select Animate on the image in the timeline. To insert texts, select the T icon. Type the words you want to enter. In this window, we can change the font type and color. To display a blank screen, swipe the background. I will add the text again. If you want to add an image, select the image icon again. We can also add the image from storage memory. To make additional settings, double-click on an object in the timeline. In this image object, I want to use Move-In effect. In the drawing options, we can also set where to enter from. To remove the hand, in the drawing options settings, select No Hand. I will also do the same settings on the second text layer, and use the hand for slide. If there is a layer order that you want to change, we can move the layer from the timeline. So that both objects are in one frame, select both layers. Then enable Set Camera to Current Position. The final step, we need to export it into a video. Select the share icon at the top right. If you don't want a zoom in effect at the end of the video, don't check the Zoom at End section. Then click the Download Video icon. In the video format, I usually use the AVI format. For frame rate, just use 25. Give it a name and specify where to store it. If it is set, click the checklist. Just wait for the results to finish. That's the basic tutorial how to use VideoScribe. And thanks for watching.